Well, here we go again. It's July the 20th, 2024 on this rainy Saturday. I didn't think I was going to be able to get out there and do an update, but the weather cleared in the afternoon and here we go. Looks like they've got quite a bit accomplished since last week. They've got some cement poured there where the head wall is, coming over the where the viaducts are. Well, they call it a bridge, but it's not. And of course I had to put guardrails up, and of course you can see why they have got to put those big viaducts in, because of all the water there. Of course, it looks like they've added some aggregate to the dirt road, I guess because it was a little muddy since we've had a considerable amount of rain this past week. There you can see the water flowing into the creek there. So it looks like it's probably going to be a couple of more weeks before they get this done. I know everybody's anxious. Everybody's having to travel down Redland Road in order to get around a lot of places, and it's a long way, 7-8 miles difference in some cases. It's looking back up towards the Dollar General. Look over the shoulder of this backhoe. There you see the head wall of those viaducts. And this is looking back towards Redland Road. There certainly is a lot of water running under the road there. I guess that's why they had to shut it down for 6 or 8 weeks. But they're getting it. And we'll do a little overhead. I want to go back and compare to what the video that I shot last week. Take a look at it and see how much progress that they've made. Hopefully this rain won't slow them down too much, because I know everybody's anxious. I'm anxious. As looking back the other way from the overhead, looking back up the lonely Rifle Range Road. Nobody's been able to travel on it for a while. Anyway, if you like this video and you like this content, hit the like button. Also, hit the subscribe button as well. It really helps out the channel. Now this is looking back towards Redland Road. You can see me down there. I came in from the Redland Road end of Rifle Range Road. Anyway, thank you so much for watching.